Hey guys, okay, so it's boot camp day one. Y'all have plenty of energy still, so this shouldn't be a problem for you. We're going to fold pieces of paper into a box, and in this box we're going to put a watermelon seed, and it's called their little seed of faith box for your clubbers. And they'll plant something in it, and it'll disintegrate away eventually, and they'll have their little sprout, and it'll be great. Okay, so to make this, you're going to get your piece of paper, and it's got pretty instructions on it that Miss Caldwell made for you. Numbered instructions, in fact. But before you start folding it, you're going to write the kid's name, or have them write their name on the spot where it says name. Flip it over. There's going to be spaces where you can have them color. This is useful where some kids can be coloring while other kids are beginning to fold, and they all stay entertained. We color in these boxes because that's what will be showing on the sides of the box when it's all done and folded. Okay, so to begin, flip it over again. And you see the number 1 with the line. And you see the arrows, so that means fold the paper in that direction. So you're going to fold over the line, try to line it up really well, and do a really firm crease through the middle. Okay, and then you see the number 2 at the top of the page with the arrow pointing to your right, and you fold the paper that way. And you should be able to see the number 3 in the corner there, and this is the hardest part. But if you can get through this part, it'll be fine the rest of the way. So you're going to kind of pop it open, the paper open, yeah, and take that 3 and you're going to match it up with another 3 that's on the inside of the paper, right there, and just kind of fold it down so they match up, and it'll make a triangle. And you're going to flip it over and you're going to find the number 4 and do the same thing. Pop it open.
Hold that down a little.
And fold it over kind of on top of the other triangle, so you just have one big triangle. Great. Okay, good.
Like that.
Look like that. And then you're going to find the number 5. And you're going to match the number 5s to each other. And flip it over. We're going to find number 6. Do the same thing with number 6. If there isn't an arrow, that typically means that the circled number matches up to another circled number. Find number 7. There we have arrows again, so you're going to fold them over on those lines in towards the center. Both of the outside flaps. And you see the number 8, so you're going to do the same thing, just folding them over into the center along the whole length of the line. And they'll say fold, flap down. Fold the flap down. That's going to be one of the things that they are able to hold their little pot by. And oh look, there's their name. It's all coming together. Flip the whole thing over. Do the same thing to the other side. You see your 9s, fold the 9s into the middle. And y'all will get the hang of this pretty quick once you fold one a couple times. So don't give Jacob any complaining about how difficult it is to fold a piece of paper. Y'all do origami, okay? You're going to be fine. And you find your number 10s, and you do that too. And fold that flap down. And oh look, seed of faith. Great, okay. So we've basically finished it, and you reach your hand in and you gently pop it open, popping the bottom point up until it's flat. And there it is, your own little planter box. Yay! Everybody say thank you, Miss Joelle.